Hey everybody! Today we're gonna open up monster truck surprise eggs with lots of monster trucks. Won't it be lots of fun? Hopefully we can keep them from climbing on each other. Like that. Miss Assistant, I've got an assistant. Will you help me open up these monster trucks?
Yes.
You will? I'm so lucky to have an assistant. Look at that. Oh, the school bus is taking off. It's ready to go. Let's pick an egg. Assistant, you are picked. Oh no, I think the school bus is trying to climb on top of them all.
Tried to do a purple.
There it goes. So let's open up this egg. And we have an Avengers Thor Frisbee. Can my assistant...
Show him what it does.
Yeah, show him. Whoa, look how fast that went. Whoa, isn't that pretty cool? This Avengers, you know what? If you were like on trick-or-treating on Halloween, you could probably say trick-or-treat, and if they didn't give you candy, you could be like, bam, I gotcha. Right?
Hit them in the face.
No, we wouldn't aim for the face, but we could say, I gotcha, right on their nose. But that's on their face. You know what we need to do?
That still was their face.
That is really their face. We need to open another egg. Right? Whoa, the school bus. You've got a chocolate surprise egg.
Kinder egg.
It is a Kinder egg.
White chocolate and chocolate on the end.
You like Kinder eggs, don't you?
Yes.
You think they're yummy?
Yes, yes. White chocolate on the inside and brown chocolate on the outside.
Really? So there's two kinds of chocolate. So what kind of chocolate's that?
White, brown chocolate.
And that's what
White
kind?
chocolate.
White? Oh, okay. So it's got brown and white chocolate. But you don't like to eat them, do you? Oh, you already eating it. You already got it in your mouth. All right, I'll just go ahead and open up this little toy, and we found ourselves. Oh, look, it's a little seal. You know what he's gonna do?
What?
He's gonna ride on top of that monster truck. That's right. That's what he's gonna do. I wish I could ride on top of a monster truck. That'd be pretty fun, huh?
Yep.
All right, assistant, let's get another egg. You're getting a Cars egg. Ooh, look, it's got Lightning Teen Inflator.
No.
What's his name?
I don't know.
You don't know what his name is? Does anyone know what his name is? I think it's Flater.
No.
Smater? Slater?
Mayor.
Mater! Oh, how did I forget that? Well, let's see what's inside of this surprise egg. You know what's inside of it? I bet there's another egg inside of it. An egg inside of an egg. Oh no, it's just candy. Oh, but look.
Silly.
Yeah, you think so? I see Mater candy and Lightning McQueen candy.
Open it up. Open it up.
Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna open them. I'm gonna put it in the back of the dump truck, right there. That dump truck's gonna have that candy inside of it. But you know what? We need to find some more. What are you doing? We need to find some more.
Monster truck.
Oh, you found one. Look, another monster truck. Hey, look, you can pull it back and watch. Whoa!
Pull it back. What? Whoa.
Oh, he's gone. All right. I want you to get that surprise egg right there. He ran right into it.
I'm gonna get.
Hurry! Monster Mutt's gonna get it. Monster Mutt is gonna get the egg. He's a real big one. All right. Ooh, Twizzlers. You know what? The assistant and I disagree on these. I think Twizzlers are really yummy, and she doesn't. Do you?
I don't like Twizzlers.
Well, Monster Mutt does. Look, he's gonna eat them all up. Monster Mutt eats up the Twizzlers, and these Twizzlers too. Bye, Monster Mutt. I think he's gonna have an upset belly. What do you think?
Yes.
I think he is too. Why don't we get another egg?
Whoa.
You're moving him?
Beep, beep, beep.
That's silly. Okay, you're gonna open it?
Twizzler.
More Twizzler? No, this is a chocolate crunch bar.
What's a crunch bar?
Well, that's a good question. What a crunch bar is it's chocolate and it's got like Rice Krispie Crunchies. Now you just had a chocolate egg, so you can only eat this little bitty piece. And I'm gonna eat a little bitty piece, and we'll save the rest for the assistant's mommy, cause she likes them too. No, you can get another egg though.
Can we get another egg?
Get another egg, for sure.
Eat another egg.
I'm not going to eat another egg. This monster truck keeps going away. So let's see what's in here. A Snickers bar? Look at all this candy we're finding. I don't think we can even open the Snickers bar. We're going to put it in the back of the dump truck. You know what we should do because we have all that candy? Open another egg. Ooh, look at this. It's a green racer. Another car? Let's look at this one first. Look at that. It's a little Hot Wheels car. And you know, look at this. The engine's right here. Look at that engine right there. I bet when this thing's going, it's so fast, it's like... I bet you fire comes out of it. I bet fire would come out of it, don't you?
Yes.
Me too. The assistant is going to open this egg. Oh, she found it.
Frankenstein.
It is a little Frankenstein. Oh, hey, Frank. Hey, Frank.
Frank in the tank.
You know what we're going to do, Frank?
He's a Frank and a Hank.
We're going to go ahead and put you in the back of the dump truck.
What about Frank in a tank?
Hey, that's a fun idea. Frank in a tank.
He is in a tank, though.
But you know what would happen if Frank didn't take a shower?
What?
He would stank. That's right, Frank. You gotta take showers and baths, or you might stank. That wouldn't be good. It'd be he smells bad.
Nope.
Uh-oh, but my assistant, she smells pretty because she takes her showers in tubs every day. Ooh, she's opening it. Wants us to open a big egg. Oh!
And it already fell open.
Oh, look, it's another monster truck.
Watch this.
I think it's super fast green. Is it super fast green? Let's see. Okay. Whoa, it's super fast green.
What about, like...
Well,
It's gone.
It's gone. Well, you know what we'll do? It'll come back. And you know what we're going to do? Wow, look at that.
Give me 5.
You mean give you 5? Okay,
Yeah.
I'll give you 5.
Up high?
Up high?
Down low? Down low?
Down low. Okay. I got you. Give me 5. Up high. Down low. Too slow. Give me 5. Up high. Down low. Oh, you got me. Well, since you got me, you can get another egg.
Or have you told it away?
You're opening that one? Oh, look at that little blue car. Ooh, that looks like another really fast car. It's got like a V10 in it. Look at the big old engine inside of that car. Whoa. And so the driver's sitting right there all the way in the back. And wow, I bet you that thing will go really fast. What do you think, assistant? Do you like fast cars?
Yes.
You do. All right, well, let's open another. You knocked over the monster truck. I think he's going to try to drive over on top of these other cars. Okay, he's like... Oh, you opened another green, but it's different. Another green one. Look, he's on top of that one. These monster trucks are out of control.
They're out of control.
They are out of control. They're all over the place. The only thing we can do now is open another egg. Hand me another egg. Ooh, that big pink one.
I'll open this side and you open the other side.
All right. Oh, we got it open. Good. Whoa, look at this. A big blue monster truck.
Watch this. Or cross. Like, pull it back then.
Whoa. Oh, where'd it go?
It's gone.
It's gone. Oh, my goodness. I like this big blue. Look at it. It's got these mufflers coming off the side. I bet you those are really loud. I bet it goes...
Like this one.
Uh-oh, hit the Snickers bar. Hey, why don't we open another egg?
Okay. I hope it's a candy bar.
You hope it's a candy bar? I hope it is a goose. Ooh, it's Spider-Man head.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
What's that?
I don't know. Let's see if we can open it. You think we can
Do
open it?
it?
Oh, I think it's candy.
Is it?
No, I don't think it's candy. You know what it is?
What?
It's Silly Putty. Not just normal Silly Putty. It's red Spider-Man Silly Putty.
I'm getting all of
Watch
it.
it go, really hard. And go, But you know what we can do?
Pick another egg.
We can pick another egg, but you know what? We can take it and we can make it into a ball.
Stuck to my hand.
Well, it's because it's Spider-Man. Spiders make webs, and the webs are sticky, right?
Yes, but they're always sticky.
Do you like spiders?
No,
Wait a minute. Well, watch this. Ready?
it doesn't bounce.
It does too bounce. Look at bing bong, bing bong.
Like,
Whoa, hey, we lost it. Oh, I found it. Okay, why don't you get another egg? I like the Spider-Man Silly Putty. That's pretty cool. Another super cool green.
egg. An egg?
No, it's another monster truck. Another green monster truck.
Why Watch out, silly putty!
Oh, they hit the silly putty. Whoa.
It goes slow.
Yeah, it does go kind of slow, doesn't it? What we got to do now is pick another egg.
egg.
Look at all these monster trucks. I mean, there's monster trucks everywhere. And, oh, look at that. Starburst. Candy corn. Oh, you're eating them all. Hey, you can't eat that. Boy. Okay, one more. Only one. Only one. That's one.
I changed my mind.
I didn't change my mind. You're going to have one. Your mommy's going to get mad at me. While you're eating those, I'm going to open another egg.
No, I want to pick one.
Well, pick this one. You're too busy eating candy corn. Ooh. I bet you wish you hadn't eaten those candy corns because these are chocolate coins.
Can I have one?
We can share one. Right? We think we can share one?
I'll break it in half.
You have that piece.
Nope.
Yep, sorry. I already used the other piece. It's already got my spit on it. No. You can get another egg though. Man, that was good chocolate. I like that. You like it? What do you think's in here?
Twizzlers.
More Twizzlers. I like Twizzlers. They're Twizzlerific. Do you say Twizzlerific?
Twizzlerific and a hific.
That's right. What do you think's in here? Oh, look at this red car. Wait a minute. Look at this red car. Look at that giant engine. That engine's so big, I bet you this car could fly. It would be like, super fast flying car.
Egg to make it fly?
Maybe. What do you think? What do we have in here? Oh, it's a praying mantis bug. Oh, look at that bug.
Watch how hop it high. Bang, bang.
I think I can make it jump. Ready? Let me see it. Let's see what happens if we go like this. Ready? And... Oh.
Yeah.
You think you can make it jump? Let's try. Oh, it's on you. It's on you. Oh, you got it back. Whoa. We put it up there, Frank. Let's get another egg, though. Enough of these shenanigans with the bug. What was in here? More bugs? Look at it. Oh, yeah. A grasshopper and what? I don't even know what kind of bug that is. Why are all these
bug in your face?
You want a bug in your cereal? No. Why are all these bugs doing in all of our eggs? Yuck.
Yucky.
You gonna open that egg? What's in it? Chocolate candy bar. Man, look at all this candy. You keep the chocolate and the candy away from the bugs, right? We don't want the bugs to eat it.
Yummy.
Those are pretty good. So let's get, we have how many eggs left?
2, 1.
One after this one, ready? I think we found a pirate ship in here. It's a minion. Nino, 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 Nino. Is that how they sound? Nino,
Beetle.
Alright, let's open the last egg.
Could I open it?
You may. The grand unveiling is another minion. Look, we had 2 minions at the end. You know why? I think minions really like monster trucks.
Monster truck.
Yeah, he's gonna ride on it. Watch. See, they're riding in the monster truck. Right there he is.
Can they ride on a cookie? Like.
I don't know if they can ride on a cookie.
Ooh, I know what to do with this other minion.
What?
Getting him on top of a coin.
Oh, I bet you he likes that. It's probably pretty special. Pretty cool. Assistant, which one of these is your favorite? Do you like the little shooter, the candy, or which one of these monster trucks? Maybe you like the minion or the silly putty. You like the slow bus.
Watch this.
Wow.
Like, go backwards and whoa, it's gone.
Whoa, it is gone. I like them all. I like all the things we found. And you know what else I want people to do?
And I like this.
The big blue one? Oh no, he hit the minion.
What about like that?
He's gone. Bye-bye.
He's
Bye-bye.
not gone.
Adios. Arrivederci. Goodbye. Hey, but you know what people need to do? They need to put
Subscribe there.
Subscribe here, right? So they can subscribe.
Right there.
So they can subscribe to the
Engineering Family. I hope you like this video just like the other ones.
That's right. We hope you really enjoyed this video with all these monster trucks. And you know what else they need to do?
Subscribe.
And they need to say, give me 5 up high. Give me 5 down low. Up too slow.
Yoo-hoo.
That's okay. You didn't give me 5. Oh, you got me that time. All right, so I want you to, right here is the secret passcode. And it's just trucks, right? You can type trucks in there. So type trucks as a password in the comments section and have a great day. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. And don't forget to give me 5. A pie. A pie.
Down low.
Down low.
Down low.
Down low. Oh, I did. Bye, everyone. Now watch another fun surprise egg video with either Scooby Doo, Timu Mizumi, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, or even the superheroes from the Justice League. Just click on the picture and you can watch the video.